What's up, Goddess Gang? Today we are back with another video as promised, and today we are going to be doing a quick little unboxing or whatever. And we have our wonderful, beautiful, amazing Rosalind, and this is a gel polish kit. It comes with 10 colors, and this is literally like, I'm obsessed, you guys. I am totally obsessed, and we'll go ahead and swatch them out. So how are you guys doing? I do want to let you know that you can save on this product. Oh my god, this is, you know what, this is, oh my gosh. Okay, you can save on this product. I will leave everything in the pinned comment down below. I believe 10% is the discount. I am loving these bottles. Like, what's going on, Rosalind? I see you, boo. I see you looking good. So these are all glitters, and I am totally obsessed. Like, look, here's a red one, literally so freaking cute. Oh my gosh, I am so obsessed, you guys. I love that. I used to have this red glitter that was so perfect. It's not the same, like, it's not a thick glitter polish. I used it on the Halloween nail set that I created a couple years ago. This is so pretty. Oh my gosh, I love this. I think I'm gonna use these on my daughter's nails. Let's see, I think, is this a duplicate of the one that we, oh yeah, this one, you guys have seen this one on my channel before. It is such a fave, like literally so flawless and beautiful. All right, let's see what else we got. Purple. Yeah. Oh my god, what do I even do with this? You guys, please drop nail design ideas down below in the comments, because I always need ideas. How are you guys? Oh my gosh, electric blue. Yes, I'm really excited for this one. It's like literally so amazing. Yes, and St. Patrick's Day is coming soon. I'm gonna do some good stuff. Spring is almost here. Daylight savings time is coming. I am, oh, I'm so, oh, I love this color. This one I can never get enough. Like, you can literally never get enough of this. What if I did a super cool set that was all this with like droopy smiley faces? That'd be so cool. What color is this? Oh, this one's a gold. Wow, I think this looks very similar to a Model 1's color that I absolutely love. This is so stunning. Okay, let's swatch these out. Let's see. I did already prep my swatch sticks. I just have to figure out what order I went in, if I went into any order. Well, okay, well, here's C197, so we'll do this one first. Let's see what we got. Okay, sissy, I see you. These are so beautiful. They lather very nicely. Oh my gosh, this is stunning. Yes, nice and smooth. Yes. Okay. Okay, I'm just getting a vibe for the texture, but this is literally so beautiful. Like, OMG, I cannot. That is so stunning. Oh, I gotta turn on my lamp. Hold on, you guys. Alrighty, next we are going to do 302. Hold on. It's this one. I'm so excited. So excited. This is so fun. Thank you so much, Rosalind, for sending us this product, you guys. I'm leaving the link for the product and the discount code in the pinned comments. The link for the product, yes, that's what I'm saying. I like this one. I wish it was perfect like the other one though. I wish that it just like was all purple. Like, maybe they should have added a medium sized glitter, because I see like a larger one and a smaller one. But I guess with a couple of layers it would be really good. Next we're going to do whoops, number 40. This one. Alright. Oh, I'm excited about this one. I am super excited about this one. Yeah, see, this one has medium, large, and small. This is so pretty. Literally stunning. I guess on these ones you gotta add 2 layers to get an even application. Okay, it's not looking bad at all. Okay, well that worked out perfectly. This is so beautiful. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna freak out. Alright, so we did that one. Next we're gonna do 172. I think that one was this one. Yeah. I really love this color. I have some glitters that I got in a kit once, or like on Amazon purchase or something, and they are literally these glitters, and so to see this in a gel polish is literally like, I know I just said literally 20 times, but I love this color. It is so beautiful. I love it so much. It's just so pretty. Okay. I feel like this is a very easy to use product. Like, it's very forgiving. I love it. Oh my god, it is stunningly beautiful. Alright, let's see which one we're gonna do next. Okay, let's do 039. That one's this one. I'm really gonna be obsessed with this one. I already know. I am so obsessed. Oh my gosh, look at how beautiful this is. Rosalind, you guys did so good with these. Like, literally. This is so stunning. I can't. Like, there's teal hollow. That is beautiful. Wow, I am, oops, I'm about to freak out. I'm literally so obsessed. Just work it around for an easy application. How easy was that? For an easy application, for an even application. That's what I meant to say. Alright, and next we're gonna do, oh, I am so weird. I could just easily pick up the color and then pick up the swatch stick for it. That is so funny. Alright, we're gonna do the red one finally, and I'm really excited about it. So let's see what it looks like. Ready, set. Oh my gosh. Yes, these are so freaking, oh my god. Oh, I'm gonna freak out. This is so beautiful. It is giving. Yes. Oh my gosh. Okay, I think that's perfect. This is so beautiful. Like, wow. Alright, next, let's see what we got. Did we do this one yet? 106. No, we're gonna do this one. Alright, so I am really excited to use these, and I'm definitely looking forward to you guys dropping some comments down below. I have some nail design ideas in mind. Like for this pink, oh my gosh, I am so obsessed. It never gets old. It is literally so stunning. Alrighty, we gotta do the gold one. We haven't done that one yet. Number 87. which I know this is gonna be another one of my favorites. Oh my gosh, I should use this one and the red one together. This is literally so beautiful. Yeah, this looks a lot like the Model 1's color that I really love. This is one of my all-time favorites. It is so beautiful. Wow, I feel so blessed to have this collection. Thank you so much, Rosalind. You have no idea how much we really appreciate you over on the Goddess Gang Network, baby. We are so happy to try your products, to review them, and I definitely recommend these. You guys, if you want to have an obsessive, oh crap, not me again. Oh my gosh. See, this is my problem. If you want to have an obsessive moment and you really just want to do it without having to feel guilty afterwards, I think this would be like perfect for you, because this is making my senses spiral out of control. My adrenaline is pumping, but I don't feel bad about it because, oh my gosh, this is like, what's wrong? Nothing. So yeah. All right, we got one last but not least. Which one is it? Maybe this one? No. This one? 109. Oh, I didn't do the green one yet. Oh wow, the best for last. I got so wrapped up in all those other ones. I'm not even ready for this one. Ready? Let's see. Oh my gosh, yes. You guys are definitely gonna see these for Christmas. Like, I might start creating my Christmas nails now because I'm so excited. This is so beautiful. Oh my goodness. And they are a very affordable price. This is perfect for beginners. If you added these to your collection, I could not see you getting complaints from your clients. Like, literally all the core colors: red, blue, green, yellow, pink, purple, teal, peach, lavender. Like, come on, this is amazing. By the way, this does come with a little informational, so if you guys are new to this, not true to this, then you would want to start there. But how did you guys like this unboxing? What did you think? I'm going to show you guys all the swatches. Hold on, let me put them in here one more time. Make sure they get a nice solid cure. And we're going to look at them together. Alright, you guys, here's the final result, and this is without top coat. So you guys, these are so shiny even without top coat. I just wanted to leave them without top coat so you guys could see that. But wow, literally so stunning. Which one's your favorites? My favorites are these. I like, honestly, I can't pick a favorite. They're all my favorites. I don't know. I really love all of them, but I'm obsessed with these three in particular. I wonder if I could create a cute set with those. Or I was kind of thinking of doing like red and red and gold. I like that idea of the red and gold together. I was kind of thinking of something like these two together, but I don't think so. But I am obsessed. So anyways, I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for tuning into this unboxing. You guys are going to see that I'm going to create a nail set with these colors soon. So please be ever so gentle and kind and generous, and leave me a comment down below. Give me some nail design ideas. If you have created like nail designs with these, please tag me in your designs so that I can see where your mind was at when you got this kit. Also, you can save 10%. My link will be down in the pinned comment, and the discount code and all of that. And thank you so much, Rosalind, for sending us over this product to try together. Till next time, I love you guys so much. Hello. Be sure to like that, smash that like button, and ring the notification bell if you like to be notified every single time I upload. If you're not already subscribed, please do subscribe. And I love you guys so much. I thank you so much, and holla. Peace.